According to official reports, SAPS poured hundreds of millions into manpower, logistics, and equipment to contain the nationwide shutdown called by the economic freedom fighters. The deployment included thousands of officers, specialized units, and resources across provinces to prevent violence and disruption. While authorities argue the spending was necessary to maintain order, critics say the figure highlights deeper issues of resource allocation in a country battling crime, unemployment, and service delivery challenges. Supporters of the deployment say peace and safety come at a cost. It was worth it. While critics argue that 368 million rands could have been used to fight everyday crime or uplift communities. The shutdown itself was largely contained, but the financial aftermath sparked debates about priorities in policing and governance. Was 368 million rands a justified spend for national security or a costly overreaction? Drop your thoughts below, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, because Mzansi's political tea is always hot.